Apparently there is a aircraft climbing its way up into the sky. It's moving very swiftly.
Welcome everyone. Today's date is January the 25th, 2026. You may have noticed a day or two has went by since my last vlog. That is because I was the lucky recipient of the 2026 Flu Award. I managed to acquire the flu somehow. Despite all the hand washing, I could not escape the flu. In the meantime, what has happened? Not much. Indiana is trapped into a plethora of snow. So today's video and series of days moving forward will be snow videos. Just tag along. So as you can see, this is what we're dealing with. This impending snow surrounding the Indianapolis area like a dome. Not to be confused with the former RCA Dome that used to stand here in Indianapolis, Indiana, which has since been replaced by Lucas Oil Stadium, but nevertheless surrounded completely by snow. It has arrived. Could it be a squirrel?
Okay, I'm walking through this snow. It's probably well over my ankles. This is some deep snow. Cold, cold. Let's just take a look around. And this is what it looks like. It is heavily snow drifting right now. But this snow is maybe 7 inches shorter than my knees. And I'm like 5'9", so. I hear people digging off in the distance. It's only cold when you stand here for a while.
So currently what we have here is we have one of the citizens who opted to travel in these weather conditions. Currently the area I'm located in Indiana is in a red zone, which means emergency traffic only. But we have a person here, you can't see them through the tree very good. They're stuck in an SUV. We have another person in a red truck that's trying to be a helpful citizen. Looks like he's rigging up some tow cables and he's going to try to pull this vehicle out of this situation. And so that's what we've been seeing all day here. And this road, it's hard to make out here. This is an extreme amount of snow for this area. We probably haven't seen snow like this in a good 10, 15 years. I mean, it is really thick, packed in snow. So this is probably going to be the scene all day long. Right here. Stuck vehicles. And it is still coming down. We're still due to get more snow all day till like 8 or 8:30 in the evening. Alrighty, it was super cold outside today. I could not stand being out there for very long, especially since getting over the flu. Didn't want to make things worse, but definitely because this is a historic snow event, I had to bundle up, get the willpower going, get out of bed, and go out and check it out. And I'm glad I did, because it was fun to go out and see that much snow that I have not seen. I can't even think of the last time I seen that much actual snow piled up. And although dangerous, If you're staying at home, you prepped ahead, going out, checking it out. If you're a kid, sledding in it is all great. So I hope you guys are staying warm out there, staying healthy, staying positive. Looks like we're out of this storm now. I'm sorry there isn't a lot more footage than there is, but like I said, my area is in the red, which means emergency travel only. So we want to abide by those laws. Stay at home if you can. I prepared. I had food, medication, everything I needed to get through the flu in advance. And, hopefully we're done with this. And looks like they're cleaning up roads today and everything. And we're in the orange now. So it's just a matter of time before we can get out, do some stuff. I'm really looking forward to it. I think I've had everything under the book flu-wise. So I'm good with that for now. Stay positive, everyone. Keep liking my videos and subscribing. I can't thank you enough for even the few people that watch these videos. It means the world to me. And it's so much fun to make them. And we will get out and explore. And just hang with me here. And stay warm. For now, the camera is off.